Find values of inverse function from tables. This is the main topic for today. Champions of calculus. Find the values of inverse function from tables. We have some concepts before to explain the class. This concept is very important to remember you. What is a function? A function is a rule that sends each input, remember the input, the values for x, to exactly one output, the values for or fx or the values of the y values. Another main idea that we have to remember, a function is invertible, is each possible output is produced by exactly one input, right? This is another rule. The third one, if the function fx is invertible, it is reading f to the minus 1 power x. I mean, this is f inverse. Remember, I teach before. F inverse. The inverse fx takes output values of fx and produce input values that is in this way. Look at this, the formula, the main thing right here. We have f inverse b equals a if and only if a is equals b, right? Don't forget it, this formula. We are going to solve one problem. Let's go to take a look one example. I'm going to erase everything, the concepts, and then write the one problem. I'm going to write the problem. The function fx, okay, the function fx is invertible. It's invertible, so then find, this is the problem, okay, find, let me use a different color, find f or inverse, 30. Let's make the table. We have the table here, x, and then fx, or the values for y. Let's do minus 6, 13. Next value is negative 5, negative 5, negative 4, negative 3, negative 2. Okay, all these values. This is the little table. 10, 7, 4, 10, 7, 4, and 1. So this is the topic. The topic for today is find the values of inverse function from tables. This is a table. We have to find the values of inverse function from tables. The function fx is invertible. Find f's or inverse at 13. Remember the concept that we studied before. So solve it. We have to write right here. Let f minus 13 equals a. Remember the concept that I teach before? So this means this means the number, all right, such f a is equal to 13, right? So now, to conclude, or the conclusion, look at this. The value here, the value minus 6, or the x value, let me write, because it's value, x bar 6, look at this, produce that's the conclusion, okay? Produce fx, right? Value 13, right? So f minus 6, f minus 6 equals 13, right? So let's do another color. Now 8, like this way, a is equals minus 6. Therefore, so f inverse 13 equals negative 6, right? That's it. So find the values of inverse function from tables. This is a table. Remember the concept that I showed you before. So with those knowledge, solve let inverse 13 equals 8. This means that a, the number such that f a is equals 13, right? So the value, x value is 6, produce is minus 6. Minus 6 produce the fx value 13. In conclusion, f minus 6 is equals 13. Therefore, a equals negative 6. So inverse 13, inverse f13 is equals negative 6, right? So that's the conclusion for today, and this is the main idea for our class, Champions of Calculus, the how find the values of inverse functions, right? It's very simple, it's very easy, no problem, not confused, just follow the rules. Very, very, very simple our class of today. Okay, so as always, I remember you some main idea on my class. So the best way to predict the future is to believe it.